Do you wake up with jaw pain, headaches, or sore teeth? You might be grinding your teeth while you sleep. Teeth grinding, also known as bruxism, often happens at night and can slowly wear down your teeth without you even realizing it. Stress, poor sleep, caffeine, and bite problems can all trigger grinding. Common signs include jaw soreness, morning headaches, tooth sensitivity, and chipped teeth. To prevent teeth grinding, try relaxing before bed, improving your sleep routine, limiting caffeine, and wearing a custom night guard to protect your smile. Protect your teeth before damage happens. Schedule your consultation today at Love It Dental and keep your smile healthy for life.